All right, let's dive into understanding what is many-to-many relationship. So this is not specific to Power BI. Someone asked, okay, please don't think all the cardinality types, whatever we discussed, one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many, are not specific to Power BI. It is specific to the data modeling concepts. Okay. So, right. So understanding them is very much important, but there are tools you don't have to do the data modeling explicitly, like in Tableau and ClickSense. When it comes to Power BI, so as part of this tool, you have to do the data modeling design. This is one way good because you are, in addition to the Power BI, are going to learn the data modeling. Importantly, the dimensional data modeling. Okay, dimensional data modeling is related to the data warehouse. So first of all, what is many-to-many relationship? Right. So the it's nothing but multiple records in a table are associated with multiple records in another table. So this is the question you can expect from all the interviews related to Power BI. You take any Power BI related interviews, this question will be there. Multiple records in a table are associated with multiple records in another table. Give me an example. A single employee work in a multiple project, and each project will have more than one employee. Okay, so this is a classic example for many-to-many relationship. In this case, it is not that a single employee working on multiple projects, and at the same time, each project have more than one employee. Okay, hence we have many-to-many relationship. Give me some other example. For example, you have something called customer, and for example, if I go here, you have something called you have something called account table. In the case of bank, account table and then customer table. A single customer can have more than one account. Is it true or not? For example, in my case, I have a savings account. I have a current account. Okay. And also, later I have a joint account with my mother. Okay. And a single customer can have more than one account with the same bank itself. The one could be saving account, the other one could be current account. Maybe you have some other account which is a joint account. Okay. And when it comes to account table, each account, your bank account number, let's say take for example my sales account number. Okay, my sales account number with some bank. Okay, the single account can be associated with a single customer. There are cases a single account can be assigned to more than one customer. What case? Joint account. A single account can be assigned to more than one customer. A single customer can own multiple accounts. This is called your many-to-many relationship. Unlike one-to-many relationship, the many-to-many relationship requires some kind of treatment. What do you mean by treatment? It requires a bridge table. The first question is, the interview question is, what is many-to-many relationship? Multiple records in a table is associated with multiple records in other table. That is what many-to-many relationship. The classic example is account and customer. A single account can be held by more than one customer, and each customer can hold multiple accounts. So in this case, account and customer table have many-to-many relationship. In this case, we cannot implement the tables directly. It requires some kind of treatment. We have to, introduce something called a bridge table. We need to introduce something called bridge table between these two tables. Okay, account and customer table in this case. So we need to introduce a bridge table. Okay. So the third table, this is the first table, second table. Let's assume that you need to have an additional table. This third table is required. Okay. So to model this many-to-many relationship, you need a third table. It is also commonly referred to as bridge table. Okay. The idea of this one is to store one row for each customer account association. Each customer account association. For example, my account number is, I'll just write it here. So here the account ID, one second. This one is not coming up. Since I open multiple reports, it is hanging. Even